Welcome back to Pearl Lemon SEO, your one-stop platform for all things SEO and PPC. Remember to subscribe if you're getting value. We release videos daily. Today, we're plunging into the world of pay-per-click advertising and showing you how to make a PPC ad. You start with signing up for Google Ads. Enter your business or website information, and the system will guide you through. Click on Create Your First Campaign. Choose the kind of result you want for your ads. Do you want website traffic, leads, or product and brand consideration? Choose wisely. Fill in the campaign name, locations where you want the ads to appear, and languages. Set your daily budget and bidding. This determines how much you're willing to pay each time someone clicks your ad. Now, choose your keywords. These are crucial as they trigger your ad to show up in search results. Narrator, finally, craft a compelling headline and description for your ad to attract your potential customers. Hit save and continue, and voila! You've just created your first PPC ad. That's how you make a PPC ad. Got any questions? Leave a comment below. And please give us a like if you got value from this video. Until next time, this is Pearl Lemon SEO, empowering your digital journey.